The boat we're going to take a video tour of today is a 1989 Sea Ray 44 convertible. Boat is in way above average condition for her age. You can see she has a swim platform. There's a swim ladder. There's davits if you'd want to add a dinghy. You can see we've got teak inserts that have been varnished. We have a nice transom walk-through door. I've got some construction noise in the background here, but hopefully that will minimize at some point soon. Of course, our steps up to the bridge. Got a storage area below the steps. This is your engine access right here. I won't take you into the engine room today, but there are pictures of the engines that were shot. It's a beautiful day here in Wilmington, North Carolina. It's March 27th, and we're pushing 80 degrees, so it's gorgeous out. Again, huge cockpit gives you a lot of versatility on what you can do with this boat. By the way, if you have any questions after you watch the video, my name is Mike. Please give me a call. And now we're going to take a look at the Salon area. You can see off on the starboard side of the Salon, you've got a nice large U-shaped dinette. And that table's on a movable base, so if you want to move it or even take it apart and stow it, you can. Off on the port side here, we've got two occasional chairs. And since it's about 80, I'm staying hydrated. Flat screen TV, Bose surround sound. The air conditioning and heating controls have been updated and upgraded to digital. Behind these chairs here is where is access to our main distribution panel for your 12 and 120 volt systems. Got a wet bar off on the port side here with an ice maker that has ice in it, so it's operational. Below that lift up step is an absolutely huge storage area. We're going to refer to kindly as the basement. You can see you've got a bar which separates the Salon from the galley. Looking into the galley, you can see we've got storage upper, and you also see we've got storage lower. That's a 3-burner electric stove, microwaves below it. This teak and holly flooring has been added. It was not standard on the boat when it was new. We have a side-by-side refrigerator freezer, coffee maker, can opener. Carpets are in good shape. Don't really see any tears or stains or anything. As we move forward on the starboard side here, you can see our second stateroom, which has bunk beds. Kids absolutely love that. So you've got 4 storage drawers, and then you've got a large hanging locker there. There's a hatch that opens. Bedding is all new within about the past 18 months or so. And now right across to port, you can see the enclosed head. So there's our sink and vanity. Got a nice large mirror up top. Doing my best to not ruin the video by getting in it. The head is a vacu flush system. And we have a stall shower. So there are doors from the galley where we're at, and then there's also a privacy door, another door forward to access the head from the master stateroom. The staterooms both have hard doors for privacy. Again, on the port side here, there's a large hanging locker. Got some little bit of storage down below. Got a settee off on the port side here. Below the bed, 2 large drawers, more storage off on the starboard side. The bed in this boat is absolutely huge and very comfortable. Alright, it finishes the tour of the cabin of the boat. I'm now going to take us up to the flybridge. Okay, so I've made my way up to the bridge. You can see, obviously, the wheel in the center. We've got hydraulic shift and throttles. All of the gauges in the center panel. Got a digital depth finder, VHF radio, separate stereo system for the bridge, control for the windlass, which we have. Boat has trim tabs. This is a Garmin 2010. It's newer than the boat. Excuse me, 3210. GPS chart plotter. One of the owners changed out the panel because it had, in this era they had like a burlwood panel that faded. So it's been changed out, looks great. Backup VHF. And we have 2 individual Helm seats. They both have covers. I peeled the covers off the seats just so you can see. Upgraded to wooden armrests. The backrests are in the same shape as the bases, so not hiding anything, just taking a little shortcut, don't tell anybody. Alright, see a nice wide area to move up to the front of the bridge, where we've got a wet bar and a little bit of storage here, and a nice L-shaped bench. The visibility from the helm and the bridge area in this boat is excellent. You can see, got a nice flat forward deck area if you did want to sunbathe. We talked about the fact that there's a windlass up forward. Got a remote control spotlight right here. Engines, we are powered by Caterpillar 3208 TAs. They are rated at 375 horse apiece. Have under 2,200 hours on the engines. The cooling systems were just cleaned. Boat was just ran 6.5 hours from north of Wilmington to Wilmington, North Carolina, and she ran without any hiccups. You can see the bridge enclosure is in great shape, so it's obviously much newer. Going to get several years out of that. Alright, 1989 Sea Ray 44 convertible located in Wilmington, North Carolina. The asking price is aggressive at $64,900. Please let me know if I can be of further assistance for you, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video.